The first question is for introducing you into this topic percentages. Likes of the videos increased from 10 lakh to 11 lakh. What is the percentage change? To find the percentage change, all you have to do is to divide change by original value into 100. So what is the change here? A change from 10 lakh to 11 lakh. So 11 minus 10, which is 1, divided by original value was 10 into 100. You take the absolute value of the change here, positive or negative does not matter. So the answer here is 10%. So that's all the basics you have to know from percentages. Now let's move on to the next question. Question P2, a student gets an aggregate of 60% marks in 5 subjects in the ratio 10:9:8:7:6. So from this, let the marks be 10x, 9x, 8x, 7x and 6x. If the passing marks are 50% of the maximum marks and each subject has the same maximum marks. So let the maximum mark be m. So total available marks will be 5m. The question says the student has scored an aggregate of 60% marks in 5 subjects, which means 60% of total marks, which is 5m. 5m is equal to 10x plus 9x plus 8x plus 7x plus 6x. So 60% of total marks is equal to sum of the individual scores for the 5 subjects. So it becomes 60 by 100 into 5m. 10 plus 9, 19 plus 8, 27, 34, 40, 40x. Which means m is equal to 40 into 100 divided by 60 into 5x. 0, 0, 4 into 100 divided by 30. 0, 0 get cancelled. So 40 by 3 is 13.33x. So you just found out the value of m in terms of x, which is 13.33x. It is known that 50% of maximum marks is the passing mark. So maximum mark for individual subjects is m, which is 13.33x, and 50% of 13.33x would be 6.66. So for the student to pass, he has to score at least 6.66x marks. From our previous assumption, his marks are 10x, 9x, 8x, 7x, which are all greater than 6.66x. And for the 5th subject, he scored 6x, which is less than 6.66. So he failed for the 5th subject and he passed for 4 of the exam. So option C is the answer. There is another way to solve this question. Instead of taking m as the maximum marks, we can take it as 100. The maximum marks for individual subject is 100, which means total marks is 500, and this assumption remains same. So again, 60 by 100 into 500 is equal to 40x. X is equal to 60 into 5 divided by 40. 0, 8, 2, 3. 3 into 5, 15. 15 divided by 2, 7.5. So value of x is 7.5, which means his scores are 10x will become 10 into 7.5, 75. 9x will become 67.5. 8x will become 60. 7x will become 52.5. And 6x will become 45. We assume the maximum marks to be 100 and 50% of 100 is 50. So the passing marks is 50 and only 45 is lower than that. So he passed for 4 subjects. This is the second method to solve this question. Question number P3. If a number is 20% more than the other, how much percentage is the smaller number less than the first? So to solve these kinds of question, let's assume that the initial value is 100. Okay. So the first number is 100. 20% more means 20% of 100 is 20. So it becomes 120. How much percentage is the smaller number less than the first? So you have to calculate the percentage based on the higher number, which is 120. So what is the change? 120 minus 100, which is 20, divided by 120 into 100. So that becomes 6, 100 divided by 6, which is 140 is a 6.66%, which is equivalent to 16 2 by 3. So option C is the answer. Question number P4. If 12% of x is equal to 6% of y, then 18% of x will be equal to how much percentage of y? So if I bring this 6 over here, it will become 2 into x divided by 100 is equal to 1 by 100 into y. The question is 18% of x, which means 18 by 100 into x is equal to how much? This is a question. And all we have is this equation. Just multiply both sides with 9. And you will get 18 by 100 into x is equal to 9 by 100 into y. So 18% of x is equal to 9% of y. So option B is the answer. Question number P5. Professor gives successive discounts of 10%, 20% and 10% respectively for her lessons. The percentage of overall discount would be. Take the initial price of the lessons as 100. Then the first discount is 10%. 10% of 100 is 10. So since it is discount, you reduce it from 100 and it becomes 90. Now the second discount is for 20%. 20% of 90 is 18. 10% of 9 is 9. So 20% is 18. You reduce it from 90, it becomes 72. Again, there is a discount of 10%. 10% of 72 is 7.2. So you reduce it again. You will get 64.8. So the initial price of the lessons was 100 and after all the successive discounts, it became 64.8. So there is an overall discount of 100 minus 64.8, which is 35.2. Option B, 35.2% is the answer.